Welcome to Nafaz Academy. Today's topic is right triangle in trigonometry, dedicated to United States high school students. It is lecture 2. Here is a triangle. Before we start the problems, we have to learn about the three rules: sine, cosine, and tangent. The three rules. You see, it is a triangle, right? And here is a 90 degree. That means it's a right angle triangle or right triangle. A, B, C. There is three kinds of vertex. Angle B, it is 90 degree. Here is a box sign. It is 90 degree. That means the opposite, direct opposite length is AC. That means AC is hypotenuse. It is the short form of hypotenuse. I write HYP. And there is another angle at the vertex of C is theta. This symbol name is theta. Okay. It is a given angle. The straightly opposite length of this theta is AB. Right? This given angle opposite length is AB. Its name is opposite. The short form of opposite is OPP. And the rest of length of this triangle is BC. BC name is adjacent. The short form of adjacent ADJ. Okay. And what we will do? Here is three kinds of rules. Sine, cosine, tangent. If you have opposite and hypotenuse, then you could use this rule: sine theta equal opposite over hypotenuse. Another one, cosine. If we have adjacent and hypotenuse, then you could write cos theta equal adjacent over hypotenuse. And if you have opposite and adjacent only, these two sides, then you could write tan theta equal opposite over adjacent. And I have an interesting idea. Here is a line: SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. To remember or to memorize these rules, these three rules, better you could remember this line: SOHCAHTOA. S stand for sine, O stand for opposite, H stand for hypotenuse. That means that rules. K stand for cos, A stand for adjacent, H stand for hypotenuse. That means these rules. And the last one, TOA. T stand for tan, O stand for opposite, and A stand for adjacent. That rules. Okay. Now find out the problems. Here is a problem. It is 90 degrees. That means it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is missing, so forget about that. Here is a given angle. Given angle opposite is x, and this one is 10. That means it is adjacent. Hypotenuse is missing, opposite is x, and other one is adjacent, and adjacent is 10. That means opposite and adjacent. You have two lengths, opposite and adjacent, and opposite and adjacent means tan theta. 10 10 theta equal opposite over adjacent, right? 10 is the theta value 30 degree. 10 30 degree equal opposite. What is the value of opposite? It is x. And what is the adjacent value? It is 10. So x equal 10 times 1030, 10 times 1030 degree. Use your calculator for 10 memorize the 1030 degree. 1030 degree value, you know something, times 10, it is 5.77. 5.77. So the value of x equals to 5.77 centimeter maybe, or something like that. Okay, another one. Here is a problem. A figure. Here is a plane, passenger plane. Maybe it is prepared to landing, and in this horizontal line parallel to the runway horizontal line, right? This runway horizontal line. Okay, here is a bigger figure. It is 90 degree, right? It is 90 degree, yes. And the angle is outside of the triangle. It is given, and it is a horizontal line, and another one, this one is a horizontal line, and these two horizontal lines are parallel. Okay, and if the two lines are parallel and the connecting diagonals is here, so this angle means it is also 3 degree. It is called alternate angle. The connecting line, it is a connected line of these two parallel lines. So if this angle is 3 degree, that angle also be 3 degree. I write mistake, 3 degree here, 3 degree. So what we have, opposite is angle, opposite is x, and this one is hypotenuse missing, and adjacent is given, it is 6 mile maybe. So you use opposite and adjacent, that means 10. What is the rules? Tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Tan 3 degree, opposite value is x and adjacent is 6. So x equals 6 times tan 30 or tan 3. I don't understand. It is tan 3 degree. Why it is 3 degree? It might be 30 degree. It is mistake maybe. Okay, I use it is 30 degree. 30 degree. Here it is 30 degree. Because it is a big angle. It is it does not looks 3 degree. It looks 30 degree maybe. Okay, tan 30 degree times 6, it is 3.46 mile or something like that. It is your answer. The next one, Here is a sand use. The question is here. This one is a question. It is 90-degree symbol, a vertical line, horizontal line. It is a 90-degree. So it is looks okay. It is 90-degree. M L. It is 40-degree given. It is N and it is 3. The question is LM. It is the question. Okay. The given angle opposite length is 3. That is opposite. You have opposite. The question is LM. It is adjacent, and it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, we do not need the hypotenuse. That means opposite and adjacent, it is 10, right? Tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Tan 40-degree. Theta value is 40-degree. Here it is 40-degree. Opposite 3 and adjacent value, adjacent is ML. So ML equals to 3 over tan 40-degree. What is the, did I mistake? Yes, it is. I have a mistake here. It is divide. Okay. I erase it. So I confused. No, it is fine. It is fine. No, it is fine. 6 times 30-degree. It is fine. It is 30. It is 30. Okay. No, it is fine. So ML 3 over 1040-degree. 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 What is the value? 1040-degree times 3. That is 3.57. 3.57 centimeter or something like that. Thank you very much. It is your answer.